In this video, we will show you how to customize the language of the calendar element in WeWeb. So here I have a calendar element, and in the settings, I can switch from the default English to French or Spanish or German or Portuguese, Brazilian. Now I can also bind the language to a locale. So here, for example, if I go and look for the language of the current page, I can bind it to the language here. So here it will say EN for English because that's where I'm at the moment. But if I switch to my French version, so if the user is on the French version of my web app, they will see the calendar in French. And if they're in their browser signifies they're in the English locale, they will see the calendar in English. You can also bind this to a custom object. So if you look at the WCal documentation and you look for locale, you can copy paste this object here and bind it here in WeWeb. So now you're returning this object, and you could say that instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you could say whatever, and it'll change here. You can say yippee, and now Tuesday will be called yippee. So you can have your own language here. You can make up your own custom language if you feel like it, or do your own translation. That's it. That's how you can work with different languages in the WeWeb calendar element.